Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Worthan Creations. Today we're going to be going through the steps of making custom stickers. As many of you know, for those who have been longtime followers of our brand, this year we decided to rebrand. That means a brand new logo and updating our website. So we are in need of new business stickers. So let's start. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start by opening our Canva app and create a new project. So I usually like doing customized templates for my projects. For my stickers, I do a 12 by 12 inch template. It gives me enough space and room to play with the image, adjust it, whatever I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload my logo. There we go. We're gonna remove the background. This is very important if you're doing especially translucent stickers sheets. Unfortunately, it's not free. You have to pay for it, but I highly suggest it if you're going to be using this for projects or videos. I went ahead and looked around for a black circle. I want to put a circle over my image because once I cut the sticker, I don't want it cutting around all the words in there. Let me see. I believe I saved my favorite right there. It is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'm going to adjust the size. That way it's going around my whole logo and all the words. There you go. Make it a little bigger. All right. I think that's good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and center it a bit. All right. So there you go. I love it. Nice and simple, right? So now we're going to go ahead and download the page. Make sure, again, you click this little button where it says transparent background. Very important for stickers if you don't want the white background to print on it. So I'm going to go ahead and save it to my desktop. There you go, name it, and click save. There you go. Now it's uploaded to my computer. Now we're going to go ahead and open Cricut app. And we're going to go ahead and start a new project with a blank canvas. I'm going to go to uploads down here. I'm going to upload the saved image of my sticker. So I'm going to upload it, look for it. Let me see, there it is. Okay, there you go. There it is, perfect. Now we're going to customize it. And this is why you want to go ahead and remove the background in Canva. That way you don't have to do it on Cricut. It's already done for you. So here we have all the multiple options. Of course, we're going to click flat graphics. This is going to be a print and cut. Go ahead and upload my image to my Cricut canvas. There you go. So the stickers, my business stickers, I usually like making them at least 2 inches. There you go. And it adjusts everything for you. So I love the size because it's not too big. You can put it whenever you do your packaging, your others, and we have little vendor events, you can pass them around. There you go, adjusted. Now it's very important that we have enough space between each image. I'll show you guys why later when we start doing the sticker settings, but I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple duplicates. There you go. I usually use 11 by 8.5 sticker sheets. It's like regular printer paper, so I can fit around, again, depending on the size and the image type, around 12 stickers in one sheet. So that helps a lot. Let me adjust it a little bit more. Again, it's very important we have enough space in between each image. There you go. So now we're going to go ahead and highlight all the images and go to edit. This is where you'll find the sticker option. Here it is. They moved it. So those of you who have been using Cricut, that's a new setting. So here we have 2 different types, side cut and kiss cut. Kiss cut is the one that you can peel it out from the sheet. The die cut, it cuts all the way through your sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that one. So this is why it's important to leave enough spacing. The thin border, I like using it because it gives an illusion like it's a little, like the sticker's a little bigger than it is. Again, you can change the color of your boarding. I prefer white on my stickers. It's simple and it goes with everything and every color. So there you go. I chose white and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. And there you go. That's simple. It applies it to every single image of them. So it's all 12 of my stickers now. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it. We're gonna save the project. Let's just do new sticker. Click save. Now it's gonna take you to the next page where it's gonna show you everything you need from the mat size. There you go. There you go. Print, then cut. So I'm gonna again use my 8.5 by 11 inch paper. All right, done. Now we're gonna send it to our printer. Now on my printer, I don't like using the bleed because it gives like extra ink and sometimes it smudges over it, so I turn that off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my settings to my printer. There you go. All right, preferences. So again, another important step. I'm gonna do glossy stickers. So I'm gonna put the setting as photo printing. I'm gonna again change the size of my paper. I'm gonna go ahead and choose the glossy paper, and this is very important. Your quality. You want to choose high quality. That improves the color and the print of your stickers. Trust me, I have learned this the hard way. Make sure your quality is always on high when you're printing stickers, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and send it to my printer. So as I told you guys, I'm gonna use two different sheets. I'm gonna go ahead and do the glossy stickers and the translucent background stickers. That's why it's very important to remove the background. And there we go, we're printing. Love it. Nice and simple. So we're done. Now on to the cutting part. So here again, you have base materials such as glossy sticker, white paper sticker. Choose the type that you want. I'm gonna choose this one right here, the waterproof stickers. Keep the default. Again, here you'll see what you need, the blades and all that good stuff there. So then go ahead and place my sticker sheet on my green mat. There you go. Make sure it's nice and secure. There you go. Now we're going to place it in a Cricut machine. And the little flashing light, make sure you click on that. It's going to go ahead and scan your sheet. Make sure everything is good, and up to cutting we go. All right, the big reveal. There we go. Nice and simple. It cut through perfectly. Look at that. I love them. Love it. Now you're done. Thank you guys for your continued support of Worthan Creations. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you learned something new today. If you liked it, remember to like and subscribe, share us with your friends and family, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!